to another day of library. We are diving even deeper into coding, just like we did last time. Remember, we just got started with Scratch Junior, so we were spending some time to explore it, or if you've used it before, reviewing what each of the coding blocks do. So now we're going to dive even deeper, and you are going to create an actual project in Scratch Junior. So you're going to watch this tutorial. I'm going to show you how it goes, what blocks we're going to be using, but of course you'll get to be creative with your own too and choose what sprites you want to and choose what background you want to, and same with the coding blocks as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Hey, first thing, we're going to need to open the Scratch Junior app. And to get started, let's tap School here since we're using this for school, and the Home button. Okay, to start a new project, you're going to hit the plus sign right here. Okay, now today's project is going to be called Dance Party. So first I need to set up my background. What background do I want? So I'm going to head to this button right up here. This is where the backgrounds are. And out of all of these choices, I can choose one, or for this one here, I can actually draw my own if you want to. I think I'm going to pick the stage here. And all the way up here at the top, I can edit it if I want to change anything on the theater, the stage, or just hit the green check. Okay, next up, I need to pick characters, and I really want you to try to do at least 2 characters here. So I'm going to hold my finger on Scratch Cat until he wiggles here, and now I'm going to hit the X, and you'll notice not only did my character, my sprite disappear, but all the coding did too. So now I need to head into here to grab some other characters. Lots of different choices here, some that you can even edit and put in your own face here. I think I'll grab a couple of animals. I think I'm going to do a frog, hit the green check, and one more. Let's add a pig, and hit the green check. Okay, so now I'm going to tap my finger and move them where I want them at on the stage. And I notice right away that pig looks a lot bigger than the frog. And I want to scale pig down a little bit smaller. So you can see I'm on pig now since it's highlighted in yellow here. And I'm going to go on to the purple coding blocks. These are the looks blocks. And you'll notice right here, these blocks can change their size, and you can tap on any of these blocks to see what they are. So I need to use shrink here. So I'm going to pull it down and watch what happens when I tap on it. Okay, see how he shrunk a little bit there? That's a little bit too small. So I'm going to slide this up to get rid of it. And I'm going to tap the grow. There we go. That's good. So now I'm going to slide that up to get rid of it. Okay, so now I have my characters ready to code. Now, each one needs a separate line of code here. So I'm going to start first with pig. So the very first thing that I need here is a green flag. So I'm going to add that when the green flag is tapped, that's when my character is going to start dancing here. So now I'm going to go to my motion blocks. So I'm going to have my pig do a couple of different things here. Forward, backward, so back and forth. Let's do an up, and then a down, and I think we'll repeat. Okay, so now I want to test out this code to see if it looks good. So I'm going to tap on my code blocks down here. There we go. I think that looks good. It looks like he's dancing, right? Okay, so now I need an ending block. That is the red one. So I have 2 choices here. I can just have it end, or I can have it repeat forever. I think I want to do the repeat forever. I want this dance party to keep going and going. Now, up here at the top, when I tap the green flag, notice what happens here. Only pig is dancing. Nothing is happening to Frog. The reason why, let me stop it here. When I tap on Frog over here, there's no code for Frog. So we need to code Frog so Frog can dance too. So we're going to do the same thing, starting at the green flag here so that Frog will be moving too. And blue motion blocks. Okay, so for this one, we're going to do some turns here. Let's have Frog turn right, turn left, then this one, do a hop. Turn right, turn left, do a hop. Okay, I'm going to tap just on that code strand here to see what it looks like. Perfect, look at that. Okay, now I want to do the same thing with the end block. I can either end it where he does it one time or repeat forever. Now, if I tap with my finger on the coding blocks, only Frog is moving. And I don't want that. I want there to be a party, right? Where they're both going. So I'm going to stop that. I need to make sure that I'm tapping up here to start it. Okay, so we are ready to go here. I'm going to tap pig over just a little bit. And I am going to tap over here to make it full screen. All right, and now I'm going to hit the green flag. Let's see it all together. Woohoo, look at that. All right, they're dancing. Now, you could certainly be creative with this. You can actually add in some sounds. You could even record your own sounds. If you wanted to record or sing some music to have going along in the background too, that would be really neat, okay? Now, what I want you to do so that I can see your screen here and see the code on the bottom is to actually have you take a screenshot. So I want you to hit your power button and your home button at the exact same time till you see a flash like this. Yeah, you'll notice your screen flash and it makes that clicky sound. And that screenshot will save in your camera roll so you can send it to me in Seesaw, okay? Let's go ahead into Seesaw and see how we upload that photo. So here I am in Seesaw. So once you have finished in Scratch Junior and taken that screenshot, you can go ahead and click Add Response. And you're going to actually choose Upload here because that is in our camera roll and we need to upload it from our photos and videos. It'll take you right to your camera roll. And there it is right here. Green check. Great. Okay, now from here, that's all you need to send me is just that screenshot so I can see how you set up your screen here and see all of your code. If you want to record and tell me something about it, you certainly can do that too, but otherwise just the screenshot is good. And then hit the green check to send it to me. All right, I can't wait to see your Scratch Junior dance parties.